tayo.
The hill. And Daddy, oh, no, Mommy.
Mommy is waiting. Then we will go outside again.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy is waiting. We will go outside again.
No.
You put some diaper first because you don't have diaper.
No.
Come on. Can you, Nay? You don't have diaper. What if you will go wee-wee and poo-poo? Yuck. No diaper, Astrid. Oh, come on.
No diaper.
Why no diaper? Come on, let's go.
No diaper.
After I put diaper, we will go out and then you will play in the park.
Oh.
Come on, come on. Come, Astrid. Rose. Come on.
No.
Come on. Try ka ng hi. Come on, let's go. We will go. We will go back. Come on. Sleeper. Yeah. Then your shade. Your shade. Ah, yes. Come on.